subscribe.
Toys here, and I'm super excited to bring you a new Shopkins playset. This one's called So Cool Fridge. I never thought I'd say this, but we're gonna have a lot of fun playing with the refrigerator today. The back of the set shows what it comes with. We'll be getting 2 exclusive super cool Shopkins. Look at all the cute Shopkins we could put in here, and I've never seen these before, but we also get 6 mini exclusive Shopkins. And just like any Shopkins playset, we get 2 Shopkins bags. We can put our ice or Shopkins in this really cool cup. We get Shopkins stickers to decorate the fridge. It's gonna be the coolest fridge in the world. We can push, pop, and drop our Shopkins or ice cubes from the freezer. This is gonna be fun. Alright, are you ready to see the 2 exclusive Shopkins? Here they are. I'll give you a closer look later. And here are 6 cute mini Shopkin eggs. They're so adorable. We also get another shelf underneath the eggs. So here's our first exclusive Shopkins. This Shopkins is named Soda. It's very original. The names of these Shopkins are pretty much what they are, so can you guess what this one is? It's Strawberries and Cream. High five if you got it right. And here are the adorable eggs. I love their facial expressions. I'm really liking these mini Shopkins. I hope they make more. Time to open the fridge. Well, this isn't good. There's nothing in here. But don't worry, we'll change that soon. If you remember, the eggs go right here. Let's see, what else can we do? Oh, cool! You could actually adjust the shelves, just like you would with the real fridge. If we do it this way, we have a lot of space in the middle. But I think I'll leave it like this for now. Time to check out the freezer. You could place a Shopkins or an ice cube right in here and press this blue piece for it to drop out. There's also a bottom shelf for the fridge. If you look at the pictures, it shows what types of Shopkins we could put in there. We even get a small shelf for the freezer. There's so much storage space for this thing. It's time to put some life into this fridge. I'll start with these cute eggs. They look so happy. Whee! They like being there. And we'll put Soda right here. He needs to stay cool. And Strawberries and Cream as well. Strawberries and Cream wants to drop out of the freezer. Are you ready? That was fun! Now we have a Strawberries and Cream ice cube. Oh, Soda got jealous, so he wants to give it a go too. We have a Soda ice cube. Uh-oh, what did we start? The eggs want in too. Phew, none of the eggs cracked. That's good. Now let's decorate the So Cool fridge to make it cooler than it already is. I'll stick on a grocery list right here. A reminder checklist right here. We'll add a soda sticker right here. Some stars. A heart. And another Shopkins sticker. This fridge is starting to look really nice. I'll put Apple Blossom right here. I'll show some love to the mini eggs. And lastly, I'll put a sticker of Delish Donut. Now this is what I call a So Cool fridge. The So Cool fridge was really fun to play with, but I can't end the video like that. I'll show 3 Shopkins baskets, and then we'll call it a day. Here's Juicy Orange. Orange is one of my favorite fruits. This is Cupcake Chic, a rare Shopkins. We could put Cupcake Chic in the fridge too. This is Sneaky Wedge. I don't know if we could put Sneaky Wedge in the fridge, but we could try. Here's Leafy. Leafy looks very worried. It's okay, Leafy. Yum! This is Carrie Carrot Cake. Thumbs up if you're a fan of carrot cake. This is Fosta Pasta. I like Fosta because he always looks crazy. Now that we got new Shopkins, let's stock up our fridge. Strawberries and cream goes here. Soda will go there. Pasta could stand next to soda. I'll put Juicy Orange right here. And Cupcake Chic right next to Juicy. I'll throw Sneaky Wedge and Leafy into the bottom refrigerator shelf. It's getting hot, so we gotta keep them cool. And I'll freeze Carrie Carrot Cake in the bottom freezer shelf. Well, this was so much fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon.